AirBorn's AirStrip Micro-Strip Connectors. One row straight board mount models. One row right angle board mount models. One row input-output cable mount models with pre-wired termination. And solder cup. Two rows straight board mount models. Two rows right angle board mount models. Two rows input-output cable mount models with pre-wired termination. And solder cup. Hardware style options. Latch box, latch spring, and guide pin hardware play crucial roles in the functionality and reliability of connectors by ensuring secure and stable mating. Built for intense usage. Designed to meet the requirements of M83513, AirStrip connectors have 4 points of contact and can withstand high vibration applications. Ultra reliable contact. AirStrip contacts outperform twist pin in manufacturing reliability. Fewer crimped and weld points and surface area between pin and contact.